everyone, and welcome back here on my channel Cheerfuldev. I hope you are doing well, I hope you are doing good, and I hope you are having a beautiful day. Even if you don't have it, just remember guys, it will always get better. Just never give up. I know I've been away for so long and the world wasn't in the good shape during the last year and during this year too, but hopefully we will get through this, guys, all together, and we hope everyone will get vaccinated and will get this situation behind of us. So where I was, well, I was busy with work, with study, and working from home wasn't easy for me, studying from home wasn't easy for me and for everyone on the world, I guess. So I was really busy, guys, and I didn't find the time to put anything on my channel here. But now that the Global Game Jam was in the last week or the last month, it gave me the courage, guys, to record another video and to share it with you here on my channel. So I participated this year in the Global Game Jam in my country, which is Global Game Jam. Of course, this is the website, Global Game Jam, and here I participated in my Moroccan Global Game Jam. If I go here on my jam site, you will see that here in Morocco we got some quite amazing people, guys. And so I participated with many people here, and actually we created 7 games during this Global Game Jam, and one of those games is the one that I created, which is Lost Cell. Here I will show you guys where you can play the game and the project on Unity. So before I tell you about this game, I just want you guys to go and check this link here, the Global Game Jam. I will be sharing the link on the description, so you can guys go and check the games created by everyone, by our amazing developers and designers in Morocco. Here you can check the link here, Global Game Jam Casa, and I will leave this link in the description so you can check it, guys. And also I will put the link to my game, which is Lost Cell here, and you can try it and play it on your browser here on the website itch.io. Well, you can't play the game on your mobile because it's not friendly. It was created there in 2 days, guys, so it was a really a simple game to create. Let me show you how the game look on your browser. So if you go just like this, give it a time to load so you can play it, guys. And there is a very amazing sound created by an amazing sound designer. I will leave a link in the description so you can check him, guys. So that was the game, guys, and you can go and check it on itch.io so you can play it for yourself and see how your experience will be playing the game. And here, guys, I will show you the project here on Unity so you can see how I created this game during these 2 days. So basically what I created is very simple. I created 4 levels here for my game so the player can have something to have fun with while playing the game. It's only 4 levels that you can level from one to another, and the game idea is very simple. As you can see, we got our player character here. His name is Selo, by the way. And as you can see, he don't have an A, right? So he's blind, our player here. And the idea of the game is basically he need to dash around. As the player, you dash with him around so he can avoid all those green stuff here, and he need to get this eye here so he can see the portal. For example, in the first level, the portal will be here. As long as the player don't have this eye, he will never see this portal. But once he collects it, he can see the portal and go through it to the next level. Basically, he will keep going from one level to another until here is the last level, which is this one here, where he will meet his love, which is Stella. Let me show you guys here. This is Stella, and as long as he don't have the eye, of course, and as long as he don't have the heart, he will never be able to see Sella. So he need to collect the eye and the heart to see her. Let me show you the heart, guys, very quickly here. As you can see, this is the heart. It's here in this area here, so he needs to collect them, and I'm just setting them. I'm disabling both of them, him and Sella. So he will need to collect the eye to see the heart, and then collect the heart to see Sella, his wife, of course. This is the game loop. I hope you will like it, and I hope you will give it a try. And as you can see, basically what I did is that I created a simple level here using a tile palette here in Unity. As you can see, this is my tile palette. This is a very easy one, guys. As you can see, let me zoom in for you so you can see it. And this one, I used this one to create this level here. The asset, of course, was inspired by Kinney's asset. You can check them on itch.io, and I will leave a link so you can, guys, check them out and download them if you want to use them in your games. This was really an easy level to make, just for the game jam. You know, I have 2 days to finish the game, and basically I put a collider on the eye here. Let me just click here. As you can see here, let me bring in the inspector here to make you see that I have just a simple animation for the eye to move up and down, and I have a circle collider which is set to be trigger. Once the player collide with the eye, I just check the trigger and check for the tag here, which is the item, as you can see here in top corner. And if the item is the tag is item, well, I just activate or enable the heart. And in the second time, when the player collide with the heart, I just enable Sella so he can see it. This is basically what I did for all the levels. So I check the trigger, and then I enable or disable objects from my hierarchy according to what the player collided with. So it was a really simple game, guys. There is nothing that I need to explain a lot. And if you want, guys, I can make a simple tutorial to show you guys how I created this game from scratch. I will remake the game for you guys and put it in a playlist, like for 5 or 7 episodes, maybe just 2 or 3 episodes, because there is not much to show you guys here. But if you want, guys, I can make a tutorial on how you can make a simple game like this one here. That's it, guys. That's all I have to say on this video, guys. Basically, I just wanted to share with you guys something, because I've been away for so long and I don't know what's happening around the world for you guys too. So leave a comment in the comment section here, guys. Tell me about your situation. How are you holding up, guys, and how are you doing? And I hope you will love the game and play all the other games, guys. And if you want to watch someone playing all the games you created during this game jam, I will leave a link for a streamer. He's a Lebanese one, and he's an amazing guy. He's an amazing guy. I will leave a link in the description so you can check them out, guys. Just check the links in the description. You will see a lot of links. I'm not sponsored by anyone. This is just sharing with you guys all the love and all the love we have here in Morocco and in our Arabic community, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will find it simple and relaxing one. And if you do like this one, and if you this is your first time, hit the subscribe button and like this video if you do like. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the upcoming videos.